Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to embed forms in Wix Studio. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and let's first create a form. So I will scroll down here and add a new section, and then let's click on Add Element, and then go to Contact and Forms, and then you can create your new custom form if you want to start from scratch, or you can add an existing one. You can also add specific form templates right here. So for example, I want this contact form to be added to my website. So I'll just click and drag it to my website. And then you just wait for it to load, and then there we have our form. So if you want to edit the form, you can just click on the edit form right here. And then you can edit the form by clicking on some of the stuff right here. So for example, email. So if I click on email, it will create a new email field right here. If I click on address, it will create a new address field right here. And since I don't need this, I will just delete it. So you can just choose your specific fields right here that you need in your form if you want to edit your specific form. But there is a limitation in Wix Studio. So using the free plan, you can only create 4 forms per website. And then if your form needs to have like an e-signature or a file upload, you need to use a premium plan for it. And then whenever you're making forms in Wix Studio, it will only be a one long single page form. So this might be a problem if you are going to create a form with a lots of questions. So a third-party application that we can use to embed forms is Formister. This right here. So this is free as well, and it has different plans. So we can just create a new account first, and then I'll show you how to use this. Now that I have created my account, we can create a new form right here, and then you can also choose if you want to start from scratch, but I will just use a template. For example, I want to have a contact form as well, and then I can use this one. I can use this template. And then from here, you can edit the form if you want. For example, you want to change its text, you want to change the colors, and so on and so forth. It's up to you if you want to change the specific fields right here in the form, but I'm okay with this one, so I will now click on publish, and then we will click on embed your form, and then from here we will click on view code, and then we will copy this code. Then going back to our Wix Studio website, we can close this one. And then here is the Wix Studio form. Then we will create a new form by clicking on Add Elements, and then Embed in Social, and then Embed Code, and then we will choose Embed Code right here. And then from here, we will enter the code that we copied from Formister. So we just need to click on Enter Code, and then paste the code right here, and then click on update. And then as you can see, we now have the embedded form in our Wix Studio website. We just need to adjust the size so that it is displayed properly. And then there we have our embedded form. And that's it. That is how we embed forms in Wix Studio. Hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.